the waiver process. Yeah, but she's there. Yes. Dr. Inwan?
Sorry?
$20 each, and it is for their use. Hopefully, families are there. So we have a conversation with Dr. here about what the government is doing, because at least the county government took on and waived the bills for the county hospitals. This is a facility of the national government. I don't know what commitments they have given you so far.
We have no what we have received in kind support through the Ministry of Health. Therefore, we are yet the bills through the National Disaster Fund or through the ministry. Yes.
The ministry.
Daktari.
But it means we're going to see.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yes.
I wanted to find out of the people you received, have we lost any?
Yes, we have lost. Yes, we have lost 4.
All the 4 were passed away.
There are some which came through Mama Lucy. Those were the ones with a very high percent of burns, over 90% burns.
Asante. Yes.
Hello.
Hi.
You're welcome. My name is Dr. Iman. I'm the Director of Clinical Services. We are just visiting. We have with us our board members.
Yes.
Our 2 board members. Dr. Wangi, representing PS Health, and Professor Usani.
University we have faculty of access. So we are together with Cambridge.
Oh, good. Very good.
We also see how the patients are doing, how they're being cared for. So we just come to see whether the hospital is doing the right, it's taking good care of them. Yes, and they have indicated to us the treatments they are giving, and so far they are doing well. They have a heavy patient load. Some of them are in theatre, but others are being attended to in daycare, and others will be released in daycare, but others will go to theatre.
Okay.
So
how many do you have?
Dr. Inwani is the Deputy Director of Clinical Services, who is on the ground. She has all the details, and I know I can answer. Dr. Inwani, how many patients do you have?
We totally received 67. And we have 22 here. In this unit, we have got others in the critical care units, which are based in the main hospital, some in the burns unit, some in the main critical care unit, and we have another burns unit on the 4th floor. So they are spread depending on the
Condition.
Yes. Yeah, but the ones we have here are 22. But some with severe burns, like the first patient here, and others with moderate to mild burns. So some of them are actually on their way home. Dr. Chue, where are you? Dr. Chue is the primary doctor who is managing here, and so I'll allow you to introduce all the patients quickly.
Yes, we can start with. January. January sustained burns on her face, primarily, but she had no inhalational burns. So she has been cleaned, dressed. There's a special dressing that she has, can't tell you some collagen dressing. She has been discharged. To be followed up with the eye clinic and the plastic surgery clinic.
She's to go home.
Yeah.
In this condition. This condition.
She has been seen by the plastic surgeon. And there's a collagen dressing that has been placed on her face. And normally for that usually it has to stay there until it peels off on its own. So long as the wounds are not infected, normally the patient can be taken care of as an outpatient and be followed up. The thing is, usually for some patients that have to be discharged to avoid them getting hospital-acquired infections. When the patient is stable, the burns are not too severe, the solely of the face, they will be discharged.
Okay.
Also social issues, children at home. The earlier you can get them out of the hospital, but now also they have to process the discharge. And as long as they takes them, they stay here until then they're waived.
Baba amewaletea kitu, tutapangia wale ambao wako 22 hapa, nataka at least tuwawachie so that at least because wako na watoto nyumbani na other relatives, wakikuja kuwaona wanaweza ona venye wanasaidika kidogo. So for the 22 who are admitted,
the 22 are here,
yes,
but we have 34 in the
yes. Now let's talk of the 34. So all the 34, tukishamaliza kuwaona, we will talk with you. Kando at least every person atapewa 20,000 utawapatia for the 34. So utawacha kwa mkono yako kutoka contribution ya baba. Yeah. Then we also need a list of those ones that we've given so that we also don't also give again, because we have to also take care of others. Yeah.
Thank you. Lucy Jacob. Lucy Jacob has a heart. So Lucy is actually theater. There's a layer that's not being moved.
But it's also even if it's also unless
Once from
I know
So who's supposed to take care of medical the waiver process?
Yeah, but one is in charge.
She's there. Yes. Dr. Inwan? $20 each, and it is for their use and support for the families that are there. Because we have a conversation with Dr. here about what the government is doing, because at least the county government took off and waived the bills for the county hospitals. But this is a facility at the national level. I don't know what commitments they have given you so far.
We have what we have received in kind support through the Ministry of Health. Therefore, we are yet the bills through the National Disaster Fund or through the ministry.
Ministry.
Okay. Daktari.
Haiendi kwa bills, but it needs to go into safe custody.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yes.
I wanted to find out of the people you received, have we lost any
Yes, we have
from
lost.
the one?
Yes, we have lost 4. there are some which came through Mama Lucy. Those were the ones with a very high percent of burns, over 90% of burns. Yes.
Thank you.